Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Devi Lia Pebrianti. I am master student in civic education in Universitas Pendidikan Indonesia. In presentation, I am going to present about my article. The title is Implementation of the Kedirgantaraan Coaching Program in Fostering a Sense of Nationalism in Students. Recent problem is nationalism in the younger generation has decreased due to the inclusion of various global views and the existence of framing that show that the government isn't being fair to citizens, causing distrust and diminishing the nationalism of the younger generation. This condition shows that there is need for effort in the educational aspect in the form of kedirgantaraan guidance to foster a sense of nationalism in students. Education that is a solution to the problem of finding a sense of nationalism can be optimized with extracurricular activities, which are an effective way to help students build feelings of respect as members of the school community. Theoretical basics from my article is the first. Nationalism is closely related to the spirit of a revolution. The Indonesian Revolution has been carried out and has received great reaction in all corners of the archipelago. The second, most studies that the meaning of nationalism comes from word combination, which is a group of people who have the same language, custom, origin, culture, same faith and responsibility, and their place of resident country is the same. The second, according to Hans Kohn, nationalism is nation which argues that the highest loyalty of an individual must be submitted to the nation state. This understanding began to emerge when nations had the same ideals to build a country. And then the last for the theoretical basis is kedirgantaraan program is a discipline that studies everything related to human exploration effort in the atmosphere or in outer space. Examples are aerodynamic structure, aerospace design, material engineering, human and machine interaction, flight control engineering, aeroelasticity, propulsion engineering, and other insights in kedirgantaraan are very important to be given to the younger generation to instill their sense of nationalism. And then for method, researchers used a qualitative approach. The method used to analyze the problem is this study is to use the case study. The subject in this study are the deputy principal of the curriculum sector, the teacher of the kedirgantaraan program, and also the student of the Angkasa Hussein Sastra Negara High School of Bandung City. Research place. The research location is at Angkasa Hussein Sastra Negara High School, Bandung, which is located at LMU Street Subarjo, 20 number X Hussein Sastra Negara Cicendo District, Bandung City, West Java 40174. Data collection techniques or methods used include observation, interviews, and documentation studies. For analyzing, techniques for analyzing or processing data in qualitative research go through the process of compiling, categorizing data, looking for linkages to the contents of various data obtained with the intention of giving their meaning. And then for result and discussion, my article is from and models of kedirgantaraan program implementation, the form of activities to understanding Pancasila, where students are accustomed to reading Pancasila text every day with the aim the students are embedded in the spirit of Pancasila so that sooner or later the student's sense of nationalism will grow. Based on the result of the result above, it is known that teachers have a very big role in the kedirgantaraan program and as effort to foster a sense of nationalism. Kedirgantaraan activities can increase children's sense of nationalism because they teach the importance of protecting the territory and fellow Indonesian citizens. And the result of the implementation of the kedirgantaraan program refers the result of kedirgantaraan program activities is a change in knowledge, attitudes, and behavior of a person regarding the life of the nation and state. So that peaceful life is created both in the school environment and in community life. Kedirgantaraan activities carried out by Angkasa High School Hussein Sastra of Bandung City show mixed results. The second, researchers groups two aspects, namely understanding and action. The first, the understanding of the meaning of Pancasila and the 1945 Constitution look very high and enthusiastic in the learning process. This is based on student interest, international activities carried out by the instructor. In the action aspect, ensure the sustained participation of students in joining the kedirgantaraan program is very enthusiastic. This indicates that Angkasa Hussein Sastra Negara High School of Bandung City have an interest, as well as in the role of action of the student of the Angkasa Hussein Sastra Negara of School of Bandung City are able to implement the values of nationalism. And then, for conclusion, my article is the kedirgantaraan program is able to be a solution to the problem of the fighting sense of nation is the younger generation. Comprehensive understanding both from the theoretical and practical point of view is able to provide awareness for students of the importance of understanding and protecting the nation's territory. The kedirgantaraan program method, which is carried out routinely, is also able to provide. So, thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi